What's up, guys? It's Martin Reyes, and Nurse Ninja. Just wanted to let you know about today. VEYO Transport is a non-emergency medical transport service for folks in the Orange County area. And yesterday, I had a member who was very sick. He was vomiting and having diarrhea for 7 days. I kind of doubt that because he said it only happened twice that day, and he was still going out and going to see his dialysis and stuff like that. So I mean, if it was a real emergency, he would have went straight to the ER. And the way he was talking was really stable. But anyhow, in order to avoid sending him to the ER, which is bad for insurance companies, I instructed him to go to the urgent care. So I found urgent cares that were part of his insurance company coverage, and I called VEYO Transport, and within 30 minutes they were at his door, picked him up, and took him to the urgent care. So they went like after 5 p.m. I don't work after that. Next day I wake up and he was texting me and calling me, which my phone turns off after 5. And he actually said that he texted me that he'd been waiting for 2 hours for the return ride home and they never showed up. So he called his niece, and she actually said he had to wait 3 hours, and then his brother got off work and was able to pick him up and take him home. So it was quite cold last night, I gotta say. So just letting you know, VEYO service is very good. It is great transport. And like, I have a feeling like the family was kind of upset. I know the guy was upset because VEYO Transport is usually like they're on time or they're 2 hours late, and he needs them for dialysis. And I get it. It sucks for having to wait 2 hours and being late to your hemodialysis because now you have to wait till the next chair time is available. But in the grand scheme of things, he's not paying anything. He's Medi-Cal, so the transport is free. Hemodialysis is free for the rest of his life. And anyone else has to take their own ride, like just like me. If I don't have a ride, I have to call my wife, I have to wake up my brother, I have to wake up my family. So it's always good to have family support and friends that you can call on. You need to learn how to take Uber in case you are not able to use the VEYO service. But just letting you know, even though they have their faults, VEYO service is a great service for non-emergency medical transport for patients who have Medi-Cal. That's my spiel. That's what happened today. Hope you're having a great one. Hope you don't hate me for saying what I said, but I gotta keep it real. Nurse Ninja, case manager, and I'm out.